welcome home, and we are here to unbox what we pick up today on the Nike outlet store. So I was excited to go today and check it out, what do they have to offer, and hoping we could find something really good to resell or something good for a collection. But unfortunately, some are good, some are bad, and especially it was going to be the holiday and Christmas Day shopping, and a lot of people are doing some Christmas rush shopping today. So can't find that much, and also some sneakers are price high. They know that the buyers will come because of the holiday, so they increase the price. But some I found something good, so I just pick it up a few that I could think that good for resale and also good for the collection. So without further ado, let's do the unboxing on the Nike outlet. I pick up before the Christmas holiday. Let's do it. Okay, let's start with this first bag. So let's take them out of this Nike plastic bag. So I believe I picked up 5 this one style, and mostly I pick up the sizes, which is the 6 and 6.5. So alright, there you go. We got more here, the size 6 and another size 6. So pick up the one that I know that's gonna be on good for resale. So let's take this out of the box and let's see what I have. All right. Boom. All right. Okay. So we got the Nike Air React. Is that it? Air Max 270 React. It is the combination of React system and the Air Max 270. So I already got me one of those 720 and also 270 Air Max, but I haven't got one of the React, but all got me a Nike Epic React sign. So I was hoping they just kinda the same, but this one personally I don't have it on my collection yet. I don't know how do they feel on my foot. I haven't tried them, but I know the feel of having 270 and also Epic React Planet. But probably a very comfortable shoe. Not sure yet because I don't have it tried on. Haven't tried on my foot yet. So the good thing why I picked this up is for good resale only, and they only pick up 6 and 6.5. I know it's gonna be a good to resale. This one you can't go wrong for a black and white, a very comfortable shoes. And if I'm not mistaken, I picked them up for $59.99 with the additional 20 or $69.99 additional 20. Why I picked them up? Because they are selling for 110 to 120 ish range, and the retail on this one is 150. So this one is not on clearance yet, so I picked them up in haul. So they have the top cover, and especially they still have the top cover. It adds the value of these sneakers, and also the good ones is 6 and 6.5. So what do you think on this one? All right, let's move on to the other one. So pick this up also. I got me 2 of this. Oopsie. We got the women's Air Jordan 1 Rebel. So pick up 2 of this. Boom. Another women's exclusive for Jordan 1's Rebel. And if you saw the video, $39.97 with the additional 20. So it's not bad for the price. I was hoping I could grab all sizes, but after checking the comps, they have the bunch of size 7 and size 8. I leave them behind because they are not really selling good. The only one I picked up is size 6, and this one is 7.5, which is the only pair that they have. So I was thinking I still gonna resell them, mainly because they are the last pair that they have in the store, so I don't have that much competition from my area, even though they buy all the size 7 and size 8 that I left it behind, since it's already good sizes and they are also good buy, because $39.97 with the additional 20% off, you can't go wrong on that one. Probably I'm gonna buy more if they aren't gonna sell it same price, $39.97 with the additional 30. Probably I'm just gonna check on the comps. So check this out. So take a look around. All right, there you go. So what do you think on this one? Jordan 1 Rebel. I was hoping if they had also my size. They have the size 12, which is equivalent to 10.5 for men. Probably I might pick them up. You can't go wrong for a plain black and white Jordan 1. Why not? Right? Why not? Everyone likes Jordan 1. Hey, if I'm the only one who was rocking on this Rebel X, then it's still gonna be a head turner. Why not, right? But it's just me. Different person, different personality. You wear what you like, you buy what you like. No question. I don't care. You buy what you want. I buy what I want. I buy what I wear, and I wear what I want. So, alright. So, but hey, what do you think about this pickup? $39.97 for just a pair of Jordan 1s for women's. Well, but even though if I won't be able to resell them, resale them. Okay, if I won't be able to resale them, then I'm gonna send it to the Philippines and then I'm gonna give it as a gift. So let's see. Alright then, moving on to the other pair that I pick up. Alright, okay, we got me two of this, another Air Max. This one is the Air Max 720. Boom, and there we go. Boom, check out that color. Ooh, what a nice color, right? It's really good for, hey, this one is different color. See, they got me a wrong one. Oh, yeah, I got a wrong. Oh, this one is different. This one is different. And I picked them up in the same. Whoa. I gotta recheck which one is good to resell. So, but if you check on the video, you might gonna check out it was 59 or 69 with additional 20. But okay, for the sake of this video, let's just move on. Alright, since we already got it and check them on hand, so which one is much better, you think? So I think this one is the, what is the color on this? Light soft pink and gym red. This one, there we go. What do you think about this one? Nice detailing on this upper and side, also the pull tab. Nice color on the pull tab, also the time. Okay, and also this one I prefer the color on this one. I like this one now. Simple on the air bubble, but the top not too much loud, but it's some kind. I think I got me a color of shirt on this one. I like it. I like this one better than this one, but I don't know. I forgot which one I pick up that is good for resale. But I'm gonna double check which is one. But hey, nice one. If I'm not mistaken, $59.97 or $79.97 with the additional 20% off. Either one of them, but I had to double check. I'm gonna check on my receipt. But hey, what do you think on this one? Which one is better? From the one that I pick up on this Jordan 1, the another Air Max 270, which is this one, or maybe on this one. All women, right? So I pick up one for me, and it's gonna be on the collection. It is a return because, as you can see, it was the top cover has been ripped up. So this one is the Nike Air Max 90 NRG. They were selling for, there you go, $99.99 with the additional 20. So I thought I don't have one. Don't have one in the collection yet, in Air Max 1 or Air Max 90. But when I saw them, it struck me. I said I want it. So there we go. Boom, boom. So what you think on this one, huh? Like the color, huh? Not too much going on. Simple color of Air Max 90 with some Air Max 1 going on. So the detail, mostly there's something going on. It's like a map detailing this side and the lateral and the medial side. As you can see right there, some kind of a map, or I don't know what's going on there. Also the leather, I'm not sure if it's suede or what kind of leather, and this one that goes all the way on the heel cup and the medial side and the lateral side, with the Air Max on this side and that side, covering the Nike shoes, and also nice going on with the blue and brown that also complement the midsole, the blue and the another midsole, part of midsole on this side with the Nike Air and the back. So not much, not bad. Also the tongue with the Nike Air. I like the color with the brown and the blue, what's going on with the lateral side and the medial. But hey, it's gonna be one of my collections. So that size is 10 and I am size 10 and a half. So I haven't tried it yet, so let's see if it's really good on my foot. Then I'll take it, I'll keep it for the collection. But if not, I'm still gonna resell them because let's see, when did they release this one? They released it June 5, 2019. So what do you think on this pickup today? So what do you think about this Jordan 1 Rebel, the 720, and also the React 270, and also the Air Max 9? What do you think? So please leave a comment down below. Would love to hear your thoughts about this one. So alright, and that will be all on this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like it. Please leave a like, share, also subscribe if you haven't, and click the notification bell so you'll be notified for the next upcoming video. Jane Olasco, and I'll see you later. Peace. I completely forgot this one. I already did my outro and I forgot this one. So Also, this also picked this up on Adidas, and only had. This is the only one I pick up because this is the only one that I knew is worth buying, and this one is for gift for someone. And boom, that's a familiar. You can see TB3D TW for Pharrell Williams, and it's on selling for $90, and bought them for how much? $41.99. And let's take them out on plastic. So this is the last pair that they have in the store, because I check out the one that they have in display is size large and XL. This is the medium one, and I was gonna give it to someone, to my daughter, as a gift for Christmas, because I think she'll like it. Simple, white, there we go, with the HU and the pocket, and also you can see on the side here, what does it say? Breathe. And the other side is, let's see. Okay, take that out. Alright, let's see. Got it? Thoughts and breathe. Okay. So I'm not sure. I don't know what was the detail or why they did this, but Human Race or Pharrell Williams retail of 90 and pick them up for 41. It's over somewhere 60% off, and give this a gift for my daughter this Christmas, and thinking it's gonna be a good one paired to her birthday gift, because she got the I gave the gift, which is the SpongeBob SquarePants, the yellow one, and I think it's gonna be a good one for that shoe. So, well, what do you think? Alright, there you go. So, even though it's too late, so I hope you like this video, another outro. Please leave a comment down below. See you later. Peace.